Hi everyone. If there's one thing we don't care about when we have enough of it, it's free hard drive space. But just as we're trying to install the new macOS update, we are faced with the frustrating not enough space to install Monterey error. Don't worry, I've got some fixes for you in this video. First, let me answer this question. How much space do you actually need for Monterey? The macOS Monterey installer takes about 12 gigabytes, but that's not all. You'll also need at least 2 gigabytes of memory to update your Mac successfully. Even if your Mac does not have enough space for Monterey, macOS will try to finish the update, and that's when you may lose your important files. So let's find out how to check how much free space you have. It's quite easy to check how much free space you actually have left. Follow these steps. Go to the Apple menu. Select About this Mac. Then go to the Storage tab. Wait a few minutes to let it calculate how much all your used space weighs. Hover over the white section to see how much free space is available. Do you have enough for macOS Monterey installation? If not, keep watching. I have some useful tips to share. Next up, I'll walk you through some of the ways to free up your storage space and fix the not enough space to install Monterey error. When we're running low on disk space and looking for weighty files we can delete, we often overlook iOS and iPadOS backups. If you're backing up your devices to iCloud, no need to store those old backups on your Mac. You can just delete them. Here's how. Connect your device to your Mac. Then open Finder and locate the device under the Locations tab. Select Manage Backups and choose the backup you want to remove. Then click Delete to remove the backup. Just like that, you can clear up some storage space on your computer. Software and apps generate lots of files on your Mac. Those are cache, app-related data, user logs, and other files that eventually become outdated. Removing those items may reclaim missing disk space, but cleaning your Mac with Clean My Mac X can free even more storage space. It is a dedicated Mac cleaner that clears all sorts of system junk. It identifies old useless files and lets you delete those altogether. Here's how it works. Download the free version of Clean My Mac X. The link is in the description below. Run the app and go to System Junk. Then click Scan. Press Clean to remove what's been found. Now your hard drive is much cleaner than it was before. Your Mac already has an inbuilt tool that allows you to manage your storage. It lets you reduce clutter, optimize your hard drive, and see what exactly takes up space on your Mac. So, to optimize storage on your Mac, go to the Apple menu and select About this Mac. Then go to the Storage tab. Click Manage. Now explore the Recommendations section. Look through the suggestions and apply any of them to save space. Also, explore the left side menu. Review section by section to find files that can be safely removed. And don't forget to empty the trash. The trashed items are still stored on your hard drive, so clear your bin every time you remove something big. All those piles of photos on your Mac sometimes make it impossible to find the one picture you're looking for. Moreover, they waste your storage space. That's where Gemini 2 comes in handy. It scans your Mac for identical files and lets you remove the twin. Here's how to use it. Download the app. Follow the link in the description. Install and launch the app. Next, click Scan for duplicates. Once the scan is done, hit Review Results and decide which duplicates can be removed. Then click Smart Cleanup to delete everything you've selected. No duplicates are wasting your Mac storage space anymore. The Downloads folder is like that dumping drawer we all have in our homes. We fill it with all kinds of different things and never clear it. But the time has come, so let's declutter your Downloads folder. Open Finder and go to Downloads. Here, click the Group button and select Date Added. Now scroll down to see the oldest downloads. Command-click any of the files you want to remove and send them to the trash. You can also sort your downloaded files by size so that you can identify the largest ones. But what if your largest files are scattered across your Mac's hard drive? I have a solution. Deleting large files is the best way to reclaim more space in no time. But looking for those items manually can be very time-consuming. Clean My Mac X can do the job quickly for you. It has the Large and Old Files module that locates and removes the heaviest files. Open Clean My Mac X. If you don't have it yet, get the download link in the description below. Go to Large and Old Files and press Scan. Here, review the details and select what you want to remove. And the large files are gone. We've all been there. You download this and that app because it looks interesting, and then you end up having hundreds of programs on your Mac you never actually use. That's why removing unused apps is one useful habit to pick up. It will help you save gigabytes of space. To remove apps, open Finder. Go to Applications. Click on the group icon and select Date Added. The oldest apps will be at the end of the list. Right-click any unused app and move it to the trash. Every app you use is translated into different languages so more users can enjoy it. The app stores those localizations on your Mac, which can take up a couple of gigabytes. Do you need all these localization files? Nope. So here's how to delete them. Go to Finder and select Applications. Right-click the app which language files you want to delete and select Show Package Contents. Here, open the Resources folder. Next, find the folders ending with .lproj. Every folder contains files for one language. Remove the folder to delete the app localization. A faster way to delete localization files is by using Clean My Mac X. It shows all language files stored on your Mac and lets you remove them with just a few clicks. Hopefully this helped you clear up your storage space and successfully update your Mac to macOS Monterey. Check out the description box for links and additional info, and come back for more tips.